Dear brothers and sisters, it is in our nature to love light. When the grey skies of winter are finally breaking apart and the bright sunshine of spring is bursting through, touching our cheeks and caressing our shoulders, how grateful are we for the light and its warmth. If it is our nature to love light, it is our calling to be light for others. You are the light of the world. Let your light shine before men. Matthew 5:14-16. What Jesus meant by light is our goodness. Every Christian shares the goodness of God, not only because we are created in the image of God, but also because we have become adopted children of God through Jesus Christ. We are called not to hoard this goodness of ours as if it were a lamb to be stored away in a closet. We are called to be generous in our good works for others. Even when we ourselves have only limited resources, we think of the poor widow in the first reading. She was in a dire situation herself, expecting to die due to the famine over the land. Still, she went out to share her frugal meal with a hungry Elijah and gave her generosity. And her generosity was rewarded by God, who saw to it that her flour jar and oil jar did not go empty until the famine ended. So it is in the nature of light to heal and nurture, to warm and soothe. So be our goodness to others. He said, you are the salt of the earth. Now, in the olden days, the Jews, when the salt was useless, tasteless, they used to throw it out in front of their house. And so people who entered the house used to trod over it, walk over it. So he says, don't be like that useless salt, which has no worth. People walk over it. But be like the salt which gives taste to your food and strength to your body. So as Christians, Christ means Savior. We are supposed to share our goodness, help one another, reach out to one another in the goodness of Christ.